tough place to take a nap.
Oh.
Hey, you're graduating. We're gonna spring you out of this car seat. You passed your test.
Okay.
Pew.
Okay.
Yeah, she's strapped in there like an astronaut.
Yep, that's how you're supposed to do it. No outfits in here, Cal, so you're going to have to go find one.
I know. I'm gonna do that for you. Hi, you look cute with your little shirt off. You passed your car seat test. Now you have to pass your weigh-in. Max is rooting for you.
She was at 1875, I think.
1905! You did it!
Yeah, we just had to beat 1890.
Yes, I know.
Oh, you knew.
We're so happy for you,
Oh, we
Meredith.
forgot about our baby.
You did it, Meredith. Your dad's gonna be so excited to come see you. Yeah, he's getting a haircut and everything. You have a big day tomorrow. You get to have some dinner. You getting hungry?